So picture this, brand new day and you hope to get some work done, but your workstation is a mess. Papers and files all over, they're all in the way, and it's a pain to reorganize them. Or maybe you need to plug in a hard drive, but the only available ports are at the back. You reach, you stretch, you fumble. Experience this every day? We do too. That's why at Flujo, we designed for you. Introducing the PowerEdge, the world's first innovative workspace solution. The hub has all the ports you need. On the front, it has the USB-C power delivery, 2 USB 3.1, SD and TF card reader, and an audio jack. And on the back, it has a connect to host USB-C, RJ45 Ethernet and HDMI port, as well as a VGA port. The PowerEdge comes in two parts. The first is the stand, which creates additional space on your table to store your important documents and peripherals. The second is the hub, which is loaded with state-of-the-art features to help further expand the capabilities of your workstation. The PowerEdge is designed for seamless integration. Setting up is so easy, you'll be surprised by how much you can achieve while doing so little. It's like magic. And thanks to the PowerEdge, with just a USB-C cable, you now have space to use your second workstation or laptop. Just a perfect dual-screen setup. And when you need to bring your work out with you again, don't forget the PowerEdge lives on with you. Unclip, take it out and into the pocket. Now that is seamless. The PowerEdge by Flujo. Clean up your workstation today.